Hi, welcome back to the next topic of this module. Now, in this topic, we are going to cover the miscellaneous concepts related to what we have learned so far. So in this module, we actually covered the topic of comments in Java. Now, there are basically two types of comments in Java. The first is the inline comment and the second one is the block comment. These are the two generally used comments in Java. Now the inline comment, we are all aware of it. It appears as an inline statement, and also we have the block comment that appears to be somewhat like this. So the syntax to write the inline comment is to use two forward slash. But in case of block comment, we need to write our comment line within these pairs of symbol. That is the forward slash followed by asterisk, and at the end before we close the comment, we use the asterisk followed by forward slash. So here inside the IntelliJ IDE, let me show you some example. So here first of all, let me remove all the code. And now we are only left with the one line of code here. Now, if we want to write one more line of code just in between this comment and this line of code. So for that I will hit enter and then use two forward slash for the inline comment and can write something like this, like we have done here. Now here if you notice, we are using two forward slash in both the case. But if I tell you that I can convert these two lines of code into the block comment. So the syntax to use the block comment is that forward slash and then asterisk, and here I will write our comment and then again asterisk followed by forward slash. So whatever I will write in between will be marked as comment. So here I will write this is comment, hit enter and again write this is another comment, hit enter, this is third comment. So you don't have to put the forward slash again and again. Now if you even remove the asterisk symbol from here, then also it will be marked as comment, just because whatever text that we write in between this pair of symbol and this pair of symbol will be marked as the comment. And now apart from this, you can even write the comments right after this code, like we saw the example of inline comment. Just put the two forward slash and this is the inline comment, right? Similarly, we can also write the block comment here as well. Simply use forward slash asterisk and then close it with the help of asterisk forward slash.